Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about pacemakers. Pacemaker is an electrical pulse generator for starting and maintaining the normal heartbeat. The output of the pacemaker is applied either externally to the chest or internally to the heart muscle. In the case of cardiac standstill, the use of the pacemaker is temporary, just long enough to start a normal heart rhythm. In cases requiring long-term pacing, the pacemaker is surgically implanted in the body and its electrodes are in direct contact with the heart. In cardiac diseases, where the ventricular rate is too low, it can be increased to normal rate by using pacemaker. The various rhythm disturbances that result in heart block represent a serious pathological condition. By fixing the artificial electronic pacemakers, the above defect in the heart can be eliminated. Methods of stimulation. There are two types of stimulation or pacing: external stimulation and internal stimulation. External stimulation is employed to restart the normal rhythm of the heart in the case of cardiac standstill. Standstill can occur during open heart surgery or whenever there is a sudden physical shock or accident. The paddle-shaped electrodes are applied on the surface of the chest and current in the range of 20 to 150 mA are employed. Internal stimulation is employed in cases requiring long-term pacing because of permanent damage that prevents normal self-triggering of the heart. The electrodes are in the form of fine wires of Teflon-coated stainless steel. In some cases, during restarting of the heart after open heart surgery, spoon-like electrodes are used. The current in the range of 2 to 15 mA are employed. The bipolar and unipolar electrodes are used. In the bipolar electrode, there are stimulating electrode and contact electrode which serves as a return path for current to the pacemaker. In the unipolar electrode, there is only stimulating electrode and the return path for current to the pacemaker is made through body fluids. Based on the placement of the pacemaker, there are two types of pacemaker: external pacemaker and internal pacemaker. In external pacemaker, the pacemaker is placed outside the body, and in internal pacemaker, it is surgically implanted. In external pacemaker, the electrodes are called endocardiac electrodes and are applied to the heart by means of an electrode catheter. In internal pacemaker, the electrodes are called myocardiac electrodes and are in contact with the outer wall of the myocardium, that is the heart muscle. In external pacemaker, it does not require open chest surgery, and in internal pacemaker, it requires an open chest minor surgery to place the circuit. In external pacemaker, the battery can be easily replaced and any defect or adjustment in the circuit can be easily attended without getting any help from a medical doctor. But in internal pacemaker, the battery can be replaced only by minor surgery. Further, any defect or adjustment in the circuit cannot be easily attended. Doctor's help is necessary to rectify the defect in the circuit. In external pacemaker, during the placement, swelling and pain do not arise due to minimum foreign body reaction, and in internal pacemaker, during the placement, swelling and pain arise due to foreign body reaction. In external pacemaker, there is no safety for the pacemaker, particularly in the case of children carrying the pacemaker. But in internal pacemaker, there is 100% safety for the circuit from the external disturbances. External pacemaker are used for temporary heart irregularities and internal pacemaker are used for permanent heart damages. That's all for today. Thank you.